My name is Daniel Hurcombe. I'm the Managing Director of Penzo Group. Penzo is a group of companies that deliver engineering solutions and, let's say, niche vehicle manufacturing for the automotive sector. For my A-levels, I chose physics, chemistry, biology. I wanted to be an engineer and a product designer. The reason I chose Wolverhampton was based around the computer-aided product design course. It had various different modules that you could select. For me, that was the right mix of both engineering and the creative product design side. And it was one of the only universities in the country at the time that was doing sort of advanced computer engineering. I'd say they drove us quite hard. But at the same time, we were there to achieve a result. It was about getting the work done and getting through and getting your degree. Wolverhampton's a very vibrant town. I think the student union in Wolverhampton is really one of the biggest in the country, or certainly was at the time when we were there. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And to that end, I still live in Wolverhampton now, 20 years later, and it's a great town. When I left university, I found a position in a local drawing office. We were designing robot transfer lines for sort of body structures building automotive plants. And then my boss won a contract out in Germany, so I went to work out in Germany. And after about 4 or 5 years, I then moved and became a body structures designer at Ford initially. The last couple of years when I was in Germany, I was working for a very large German engineering firm called Bertrand. It gave us a very analytical and structural approach to engineering. And it was very disciplined. When I came back home, we won a contract at Jaguar to design body structures for what was then the S-Type. They made me general manager when I was 27, and that I was very proud of that as an achievement. I was by far the youngest general manager in the automotive industry at the time, and then subsequently became managing director over the whole UK, which was about 170 guys. There was a slight disagreement with my German bosses about the future of the business, and so effectively myself and some of my colleagues set up Penzo. Today we've got just under 160 staff, and we're turning over about 17 million turnover this year, with our biggest clients being Mercedes-Benz and Jaguar Land Rover. We work in automotive, in aerospace, defence. We've worked on all kinds of different transport vehicles, for want of a better word. A typical project can last anywhere between 2 and 5 years, but at the end of it, you get to see that product either driving around the roads or flying in the sky or sailing in the ocean. I don't think there's anything more rewarding than when you've finished and completed a project and you know that you've succeeded, you've delivered a fantastic result, and the customer's happy. But fundamentally, I know I keep coming back to it, you have to put the work in to get the success out.